In today's video, we explore top 5 animation software for making awesome videos. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these tools can help you create cool animations without a lot of hassle. Stay tuned till the end as we explore best animation software, helping you choose the right software for your animation projects. Start with number 1, Animaker. Animaker, an easy-to-use platform for creating amazing videos. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, with Animaker, making videos is very easy, thanks to its simple drag-and-drop tools and huge library of resources. You can add professional voiceovers in different languages with the voice generator and make your videos more accessible with the subtitle generator. Create unique characters and add cool movements and sound effects. One of Animaker's coolest features is syncs your character's lips automatically, saving you time and hassle. It's perfect for small businesses and marketing teams looking to create awesome videos without invest too much money. Best of all, you can get started for free, with premium plans starting at just $12.05 a month. So what are you waiting for? Start creating awesome videos with Animaker today. 2. RenderForest. RenderForest is a versatile platform where you can create videos, websites, logos, and graphics all in one place. It's known for its ability to create various types of video animations like YouTube intros and animated logos. No complicated software needed, just log in and start creating. It's simple to use and has lots of templates to choose from. Making animations is quick and easy. RenderForest turning your written words into animated videos with iScript to video, edit, and store videos online. And choose from ready-made templates for intros and explainer videos. Once you've customized your animation, you can download it to your computer. Plus, there's a free plan available, and premium plans start at just $9.99 a month. Number 3, VideoScribe. VideoScribe is a simple tool for making great explainer videos and whiteboard animations. It's a best choice for both advertisements and educational content because of its simplicity and playful style. Businesses find it particularly useful for advertising campaigns, employee training, and brand promotion. With VideoScribe, you can easily customize your videos by adding text and images and adjusting their appearance. Start by choosing a template or a blank canvas, then add your content and adjust the settings. When you're done, you can share your video directly to YouTube or Vimeo. It's the perfect solution for teachers and businesses, offering a free plan and premium subscriptions starting at just $9 per month. Number 4. Adobe Animate. Adobe Animate is a versatile software for creating multimedia and animations. Users can easily make and edit animations in vector or bitmap formats for various platforms. It offers built-in drawing tools and supports importing artwork from other Adobe programs. Key features like onion skinning and motion tweening enable smooth transitions and complex movements. Recent updates include AI-powered drawing features, enhancing animation creation. Adobe Animate is favored by professionals in animation, video editing, and game development. While a free plan is available, premium plans start at $20.99 per month. And here is number 5, Appy Pie. Appy Pie is a super easy platform for making apps, even if you're not a coding expert. It connects smoothly with other apps and data sources, which is really handy. It has tools for making images, logos, and animations, so you can get creative. The animation generator helps you make animations just by typing text prompts. With features like Image to Animation Maker, you can turn pictures into moving images. Appy Pie works for small startups or big businesses. They offer a free plan, but if you want more features, you can get a premium plan starting at $16 per month. That's all for today. We hope you found these animation software options helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Keep exploring and having fun with your animations. See you next time.